Hi, John. How are you?
Hey Emma, I'm good, thanks. What about you?
I'm fine too. Actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
I really want to speak English fluently, but I don't know where to start. Can you help me?
Of course. Let's talk about it step by step. First, tell me, do you understand basic English?
Yes, I understand simple sentences, but I get stuck when speaking.
That's common. Step 1 is start speaking every day, no matter how small. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself. How?
Like this: I am going to the market, or I am brushing my teeth. Just describe your actions in English.
Oh, I see. So it's like practicing alone?
Exactly. Step 2 is learn common phrases like how are you? Can you help me? What time is it?
That's easy. I know some of them.
Great. Step 3, listen to English daily. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts or songs. Your ears should get used to the language.
I sometimes watch movies, but I don't understand everything.
No problem. Start with subtitles. Later, try without them. Step 4, read aloud. Read English stories or articles loudly.
Reading aloud helps with speaking?
Yes, it improves pronunciation and builds confidence. Step 5 is think in English.
That's difficult. I always think in my own language.
I understand, but slowly try thinking short sentences in English, like I need water or I am tired.
Okay, I'll try that.
Step 6, speak with others. Find a partner, maybe someone like me or a friend who is also learning.
That's a good idea. Speaking daily will help me.
Exactly. And step 7, don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, I always feel shy. What if someone laughs?
Then let them laugh. You are learning. Mistakes are part of learning.
You're right. I shouldn't worry.
Step 8, record yourself. Speak on your phone and listen to it. You'll notice what needs improvement.
I never thought of that. I'll do it today.
Good. Step 9, set small goals. Like this week, I'll learn 10 new words, or I'll speak 5 minutes daily.
That sounds helpful. I'll make a list.
And finally, step 10, stay consistent. Practice every day. Even 15 minutes daily is better than nothing.
Thank you, John. You explained everything so clearly. I feel motivated now.
I'm happy to hear that. Just remember, fluency takes time, but you'll get there.
Yes. From today, I will follow all the steps.
Great. Let's meet next week. You can tell me your progress.
Sure. And next time, I'll speak more English.
That's the spirit. See you soon.
Bye. John, thanks again.
Bye. Emma, keep practicing. Hi, Emma. How was your week?
Hi, John. It was good. I followed your advice.
That's great. What did you do?
I spoke to myself every day. I said things like, I am cooking, I am reading, and I am going to sleep.
Perfect. Did you try recording your voice?
Yes. At first, I was shy, but now I feel more confident.
That's wonderful. Did you learn new words too?
Yes, I learned 12 new words. I use them in sentences.
Impressive. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Yesterday, I visited the library. It was quiet and peaceful.
Wow, Emma, that's a great sentence. Your progress is amazing.
Thank you. John, I still make mistakes, but I'm not afraid now.
Exactly. That's the right attitude. Mistakes are our teachers.
I also tried thinking in English before sleeping. Like, today was a good day.
Excellent. That helps train your mind.
Next, I want to try speaking with someone else.
I can help you. Let's have small English talks every day.
That would be awesome. Let's start tomorrow?
Yes. Let's meet and talk about our daily routine in English.
Okay. I'll prepare some sentences.
Great. Step by step, you'll become fluent.
Thanks for guiding me. John, you're a great friend.
Always happy to help, Emma. Let's keep learning together.